You gotta take a look at this. Wow.
Join us as we explore the southern end of California's Orange County. Hi, I'm Joseph Zender, and we're in town on this early afternoon to stroll the grounds of the legendary Casa Romantica. The historic Spanish Colonial Revival home was completed in 1927 and offers sweeping views of the stunning Southern California coast. Below us is the charming seaside city of San Clemente. Located in Casa Romantica's Richard and Donna O'Neill native garden, the bronze and acrylic sculpture called The Beauty of the Butterfly was created by contemporary artist Matthew Placzek, whose art forms are both meticulous and free-flowing in design. While usually open for self-guided and docent-led tours of the home and permanent exhibits, due to the current state and local restrictions, only the 2.5 acres of gardens and outdoor areas were open during our visit. As we walked through the garden, we were rewarded with remarkable views around every beautiful bend of the winding pathway. Built by former Seattle mayor and San Clemente founder Ole Hanson as his personal residence, this iconic landmark is now known as La Casa Romantica Cultural Center and Gardens. From the main courtyard to the ocean terrace, amphitheater, and beyond, our journey finally came to an end, and we embarked on a brief ride up the coast to Dana Point. The Harbor House Cafe in Dana Point is open 24/7 and has been serving up delicious traditional American fare since 1939.
Hey guys.
Yeah.
Yes.
Thank you.
Awesome.
Just your condiments, and I put a little ranch for the onion rings. Anything else?
A fork and we got it. Thank you.
Enjoy.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Joe is giving me food envy right now. You want some?
My burrito.
No, I'm good.
Do you want ketchup for yours or not?
I'm getting messages. I'm trying to record. Look at how thick the onion is. It's actually pretty good.
Yeah, it's better. It looks better than I thought it would.
On our way out, we admired a magnificent array of movie posters and got our last glimpse of the restaurant. Although indoor dining was available during our visit, we encourage you to check ahead for current dining options. Next stop, Dana Point's lovely harbor. After soaking up the views, we headed up the cliffside for a higher vantage point.
Let's go take a hike.
When you visit, be sure to explore the Dana Point Headlands Conservation Area. The Interpretive Center and portions of the trail were closed at the time of this recording, but many great sections of the trail were still open.
Here you'll see the beautiful Dana Point Harbor and Marina. Up until the late 60s, this was actually the home of one of Southern California's biggest surf breaks, known as the Killer Dana. Closed. Just the gift shop's open.
Right below the cliffs that overlook the harbor sits the Ocean Institute, an educational organization that delivers ocean science and maritime history programs for the community. Since the gift shop happened to be open, we stopped in for a look.
educational center where you can learn about the ocean and lots of other cool stuff.
The reason for our visit was to explore the rocky beach located behind the Institute and admire the stunning vistas that are available beyond the breakwall. Although our time was limited today, when you come to Dana Point and are in this area during low tide, we recommend the hike to Pirates Cave, which is just a little over a mile round trip along the rocky beach. In search of lunch, we strolled along the walkways of the harbor village where shops, bars, and restaurants were all full on this summer day. Making our move for a table at Harpoon Henry's, we discovered there was an hour-long wait for outdoor seating. So we put our name on the list and started exploring.
They're only doing a set menu, brunch menu, which I don't want.
Aw. It's pretty good.
Catalina Express, which offers ferry service to Catalina Island, had just returned to Dana Point and was disembarking people coming back from their island getaway.
What you see?
Dana Point.
Hey, want to support our channel? Check out captivatingcalifornia.com for more details.
What an amazing view. We are on the Bluff Top Trail in Dana Point.
Our next stop was Dana Point's Bluff Top Trail, which offers unparalleled views of the harbor, ocean, and San Clemente in the distance.
When you come to California, make it a point to check this out.
This short but absolutely beautiful trail was once the site of the Dana Point Inn, which was an unfinished hotel that halted construction at the beginning of the Great Depression.
These arches were left over from the Dana Point Inn.
So this was a hotel.
Yes, that ended up closing down due to the Great Depression. See, these are actually rooms.
If you like what you see, subscribe and share this video with your friends. Adios, Dana Point. We'll see you next time. Oh, by the way, my name is Joseph Zender, and I'm your host here at Captivating California. Ciao, baby.